Hi, I'm Simon with AppliancePartsPros.com. Today we're going to show you how to repair your appliance. Are you ready? Remember, anytime you work on your appliance, make sure it's unplugged or the circuit breakers are off so there's no chance of electrocution. In this video, we'll show you how to replace the run capacitor in the Frigidaire refrigerator. It's going to be a very easy repair. Should only take a few minutes to show you how to do it. For the job, we're going to need a 1/4-inch nut driver, a long flat blade screwdriver, and a pair of needle nose pliers. When you open up the package, you're going to get a new run capacitor. By creating the magnetic field, the run capacitor turns the rotor inside the compressor motor and keeps it running with a greater efficiency and less power consumption. Over the years, the capacitor loses its capacitance. As a result, the compressor motor may fail to start or run. If you can hear the compressor is trying to start to no avail, the run capacitor should be checked and replaced if needed. To remove the access cover, we need to take out a few 1/4-inch screws, and I'm going to use a 1/4-inch nut driver. And just pull it out. Use the opportunity to clean the condenser coil if it's necessary. In our case, it's pretty much clean. I'm going to use the needle nose pliers and place it in there. Grab that retainer spring, pull it towards the compressor to release the hook at the end, and remove it. The next thing would be prying out the capacitor. I'm going to use the flat blade screwdriver, and I'm going to remove the old capacitor. That's the one. This is the old run capacitor next to the new one. If you don't have this part, you can get it from AppliancePartsPros.com. That's the new capacitor, and I'm gonna place it on. Match these two terminals with the holes in the compressor start device, and the tip goes over that little plastic tower, I could call it tower, and push it in. We're going to install this retainer spring. The bottom hook goes on the hole there at the mounting plate on the compressor. And I'm going to hook it on. And then we're going to install the top hook. Time to install the access cover. I'm going to put the power cord into the cutout outside, and put the bottom of the cover into the base here. And we're going to secure that with a 3/4-inch screws. All done. Plug the fridge back in and make sure it's cooling. Thank you for being a part of another successful repair brought to you by AppliancePartsPros.com. For any of your future appliance repair projects, please check out our other videos available on our site, on Facebook, on YouTube, and on Instagram.